In this problem, we're given 4 graphs to choose from, and we need to match the equation with the correct graph. So given that the parent function is y equals x squared, and I've drawn a sketch of y equals x squared over here, notice y equals x squared starts out bottoming out at the origin at the point 0, 0. So if you remember your transformations, the fact that the equation went from y equals x squared to x plus 1 squared, the fact there's a plus 1 inside the parentheses would shift the graph to the left 1 unit. So if I shifted the original graph to the left 1 unit, you'd have a parabola here bottoming out left of the origin. It's a horrible graph, but you can see all of these graphs except for this one has the vertex to the left of the origin. So this cannot be the correct graph because the vertex is to the right of the origin. The next thing I notice is there's a minus 5 outside the parentheses. That would have the effect of moving it down 5. So if I took the original graph, which looks like this, and move it left 1 and down 5, then I'd have a parabola that bottoms out not at 0, 0, but at negative 1, negative 5, and I'd have a parabola that looks sort of like this. It would be left of the origin, and the vertex would be below the x-axis. So this one does not have that effect. And this one, in fact, this one has the vertex to the right of the origin, so that one's not correct. So I don't need to worry about the fact that this is the number 2. Putting a 2 on the outside would vertically stretch the parabola, making it skinnier. All I need to know is that it's a positive. The fact that it's a positive 2 means that they did not reflect about the x-axis, so it should stay opening up like this picture. So it looks like this is the correct graph. Had this been a negative 2 in front, then the negative would have the effect of flipping the parabola about the x-axis, and instead of having the parabola opening up like you see here, it would open down like this, and then this would have been the correct graph. So you should pick this one.